Hi, mommies. This is Tanya, Noor's mom. So, on popular demand, I'm finally doing the baby massage video for all of you. Uh, so, for Noor, since she was 7 days old, we've been calling a professional massage auntie who does her massage. So, I am going to be showing you a live session of how Noor is being massaged. So this is Sheila ji. Hi Sheila ji.
Hi.
This is Noor's massage auntie. She has around 30-40 years of experience. She's been massaging babies since years and years. And she's been massaging Noor since Noor was 7 days old. So now I'm going to show you if your baby is less than 3 months old, ideally you should massage the baby sitting on the floor, straighten your legs and then put the baby on your legs. शीला जी, ऐसे क्यों हम रखते हैं बेबी को नीचे? शुरू के पहले 3 महीने में हमें क्यों बेड पे नहीं रख सकते?
बेड पर इसलिए रखा नहीं जाता है कि बेबी के हड्डियां बहुत नाजुक होता है, इसलिए बेड पर लेटाने से हड्डियां में चोट लगने के जो वो रहता है, दिक्कत हो जाता है, इसलिए हम पैर पर रखते हैं। 3 महीने जब निकल जाते हैं तब बेड पर लेटा सकते हैं, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
अच्छा, ओके. So, as you see, she's saying that it is advised that before 3 months you should keep the baby on your lap because your baby's bones are fragile, and putting the baby on the bed can put a lot of pressure on the baby's bones. So, if your baby is less than 3 months old, please see how Sheila ji is sitting. You should put the baby like that. And in fact, in this position, it encourages tummy time for the babies also, and it encourages the baby to hold up her head. शीला जी, ये तो हो गया जब हम उल्टा करते हैं. जब नीचे बैठ के सीधा कर रहे होते हैं तो कैसे रखना है बेबी को? दिखाना.
ऐसे रखना है, ऐसे लेटाना है, बेबी ऐसे रहेंगे.
When you're massaging the front part of the baby should be lie down like this. So first, always start from the back. Put your baby on her or his tummy and start from the legs. शीला जी, पहले टांगों से शुरू करना चाहिए.
हाँ, दिल की तरह होना चाहिए, टांगे से शुरू होगा, ऊपर की तरफ मसाज होना चाहिए.
Okay, so she is saying the direction of the massage should be from bottom to top towards the heart. This also relaxes the muscles and at the same time strengthens the leg muscles. So now you all see how she's massaging, and she's also trying to straighten the legs because the baby's legs are bent, right? So the motion is such that she's trying to straighten them also. So all these massage techniques help strengthen your baby's muscles and make them crawl faster, walk faster. And now she's moved on to the back. अब शीला जी बैक पे करेंगे हम.
हाँ, देख कर रही हूँ.
नूरू, करने दो शीला जी को. So the massage takes around 10 to 15 minutes. So the direction is always bottom to top. So we're using coconut oil. I know you all are seeing the Sebamed massage oil bottle, but that's just the bottle. I filled coconut oil in that. So now we are turning her on her back. So it's like around a minute or two at each body part. So leg massage is the most vital in the entire of baby's massage, because that is what is the building stone of everything, right? And after leg massage, the second most important part is the baby's stomach, because that, number one, helps in relieving any gas or indigestion or colic, and makes the baby very agile and free and light. And this is how difficult it is to massage an 8.5-month-old baby. Till 6 months, she used to be quiet and she didn't even need a pacifier. And she used to love massage, but now she gets distracted so easily. Also, please ensure when you're massaging your baby, your nails should be trimmed. You shouldn't have any hard kind of skin on your hands or your finger. Just be careful of these things. So for girls,
I see.
the position should be circular. The technique should be like this. Inside, making circles inside. And for boys, लड़कों के लिए क्या करना हो चाहिए?
लड़कों के लिए ऐसे सीना चौड़ा करना है.
Okay. So for boys, the circles should be outwards. And for girls, it should be inwards. So this circular motion relieves gas and colic in baby. So it's very vital. Massage really helps in this.
अब इनको
So now we're moving to the hands. So again, the motion is from bottom to top. और नूरू ने गिरा दिया टॉय. आप आंटी को मसाज नहीं करने दे रहे हो. So after the arms, we go on to the hands.
3, 4, knock on the door. 5, 6, pick up 6, 7, 8, more even straight. 9, 10, let's do it again.
It's time to move on to the face. So first the forehead, then the cheeks, the nose, and now we are doing the neck. Extremely sorry for all this interruption, but this is what it looks like. Now we will do some exercises. These are very important. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These exercises have to be done in the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now the last exercise for the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She loves these exercises. And now we're using the Nat Habit cold press almond oil for her head massage. This is the last step of the massage. And she's going to again create a fuss until we give her a toy. So I love this almond oil. But if it's not available, I sometimes also use the Rogan Badam Shirin. So Noor had a pretty bald kind of head. She had very sparse hair. But over time, using almond oil and doing this head massage has made a difference. And now she has some kind of hair, definitely. So this was all about real life massage of Noor. And I hope this has been able to give you an idea of how professionally a baby is supposed to be massaged. I know there were a lot of interruptions, but that's how it is. Babies are not dolls who are just gonna sit there still and get themselves massaged. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll be linking all the products below in the description. Keep writing and suggesting topics for new videos. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.